Hey, what is up? What's happening? Thank you so much for joining us on yet another video. We are Big D Concrete Cutting, and this is Big D Cutting. In today's video, we're going to go through a step-by-step process of how we actually core drill. I'm going to show you the entire process, explain to you exactly what we do. By the time you're done watching this video, you will definitely have a better understanding of what core drilling is and actually how to core drill. The first thing that I want to do is just show you an example of a job, and then after that, I'll explain to you step-by-step exactly what we're doing on another job. Now really quickly, 1 second, I want to pause the video and talk about this really quickly. If you notice, my bit is coming in and then I had to take it out. So what actually happened is that bit bottomed out, meaning the bit itself is about 15 inches. I had drilled in about 15 inches, so now the concrete on the inside of the bit is actually touching that edge, so we are bottomed out. Now what I can do, or what I have to do, is add an extension. But before I can start drilling again, I then have to break the concrete out of there in order for me to keep going. Now in this circumstance, that's no problem at all, because it's just half of the bit is being used, or we're not cutting out a full circle. But if you are cutting out a full circle, if you're going into a wall or into this is more common when you're drilling into a footer and a pipe has to come out of a building. Now what the rule of thumb is when you're drilling, you want your depth to be at least twice the diameter. Meaning if you're using a 5-inch core bit, you want to drill at least 10 inches. What we like to do is we like to bottom out the bit, break out the concrete, add the extension, and keep going. So right here, we're just gonna get into it, start grabbing the stuff that we need, and let's go for it. Drill, wall mount stand, tool bucket, hammer drill with cords, water hose, generator and bit, more hose. So right here, let's go over the steps for mounting the drill in order for you to core drill a hole. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna have to measure where our anchor has to be placed. Now this can vary depending on how many spacers are in between your drill, carriage, and stand. For a bigger bit, you're obviously gonna need more spacers, so you just have to know what that distance is. Once your anchor is set, place the awl thread in the anchor, the wall mount stand to the wall, and with this hole, we're gonna actually be drilling diagonally because we don't have the clearance above the hole, but that's no problem whatsoever so long as you measure and you put it exactly where you need it. The next thing that you're gonna do is put the drill with the carriage on the stand. Make sure you're lined up, centered, and center to the moon. Alrighty, so hopefully you have a better understanding of what core drilling is as well as how to core drill. If you had any questions, please feel free to leave that in the comment section down below. Also, check out our description. A lot of great information down there to go along with how to get to our other social medias as well as some of our subsidiary companies. We also do seamless gutter installs. Check out all that information. Also, if you need any kinds of quotes, contact information will be down there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you on the next one.